out how does it look like, a room look like here at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. What sort of room is that? This is the Studio King, isn't it?
Studio Terrace.
Tourist Terrace.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the Studio Terrace room. The King here at Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. We have a closet here with the safe. Then we have the actual closet. The tablet. Down here the paying mini fridge. I assume there's no... Oh, it's actually not. I stand corrected. This is an empty fridge. Good. Good. Now this is obviously payable. A second TV. That's strange how the bedtime TV is much smaller than the lounge TV. But yeah, we have this here. The bathroom I found very interesting, by the way, because whilst it looks really good and bright, and awesome nice top here, some awesome nice standing shower, standing and well, sitting shower. This bathroom here is like you can barely see anything. But hey, it is what it is. Nice room. But this is not the basic room here, right? So there are more basic rooms here, but this is a very decent, nice room, and I'm really looking forward to MGM finally taking over the operations here like in full from a Players Cup perspective as well. So I can book my comps here finally. Okay. $300 up or four? Free play converted really badly from the $75. I converted $20. But yeah, that's it. Talk to you later.
See you in a bit.
On the move.